Okay, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas day 4. I'm so excited and proud of myself, y'all. I don't care. I'm making a video. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas day 4. I'm so excited and proud of myself, y'all. I don't care. I'm making a video. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. So today I'm gonna be in the kitchen, y'all. Yes, your girl is about to be in the kitchen. I'm about to make some cabbage. It has bacon, sausage, and a few other things. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. So come on. Come on. Come on. Nah, but there we go. Okay, so today I'm gonna be in the kitchen. Your girl in the kitchen. I need to dip these braids, y'all. But your girl's gonna be in the kitchen. I'm about to make some cabbage. I had made it the other day and I just used half of the cabbage. So yeah, I'm about to make the rest now and give y'all some content at the same time. Oh, I'm sleepy. I just got off, y'all. So I'm tired. But I am showing up for y'all. I'm showing up for myself. Once again, I am here. But I think I know.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm
It's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. Think he was holding me to the right, but it will be calling my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Make the space that I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you running my...
Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone.
Okay, y'all, this is the final outcome with the cornbread. Y'all had this cornbread from the last time I made it, but yeah, get into it. Fried cabbage. Now it's time for the taste test, y'all. Let's see what we're working with. I don't want like too soft cabbage, but it's kind of soft and it's kind of still got that crunch that we're looking for. Let's see. So the cabbage is really good, y'all. I actually thought I put a little bit too much of the chicken broth because it was a little bit on the watery side. But the flavor is flavoring, and it's really pretty good. It's really good. Actually better than the first time I made it. So, y'all try this recipe at home. If y'all need the full list of the ingredients and seasonings I use, let me know in the comments. Drop below y'all favorite meal, and if y'all try it, make sure y'all tag me. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. Instagram _, and all that. I'm Forever Nay. TikTok Forever Nay too. And it's like, yeah.